Go.
We are the Garden of Eden from Pangasinan branch. A perfect Christmas. My idea of a perfect Christmas is to spend it with you
In a party,
or dinner for two. Anywhere would do. Celebrating the Yuletide season. Always lights up our lives.
simple pleasures are made special too.
When they're shared with you. Looking through some old
Photographs,
faces and friends will always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about.
in the cool breeze of December.
Sparkling lights all over town.
Children's carols in the air.
By the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair.
I can't think of a better Christmas.
Then my wish